Hey, what's up, y'all? Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, my market updates, mine is not yours, update of my stock portfolio. Y'all know I'm a dividend investor. Y'all watch my videos today. We had a short list. Market was good, it was greenish. Good day to cash up. Didn't have to spend a lot of money, today was still some buys out there. Even though you had a green day, give it to the Bulls. I mean, stocks are still in buy range, even though they was greenish today. I mean, it's still down. But as you know, I'm buying. Accumulate more monthly payers, more weekly payers. IWMMY, YMA, YMAX, YMAX, YMAG, YMAG, QQQY, XDTE, and QDTE are my 6 weekly payers that I'm accumulating. Got a lot of monthly payer bank bangers. One that stands out to me as for an ETF is SPYT, SPYT, which is does options on the S&P 500. So that's like out of all of the ETFs between the Yield Max and the Defiance one, this might be the most stable one, I would say. I would actually put 10,000 in this one and not look back at it tomorrow, and just let it just work and sort it's self out. When I say it's not less volatile and the most safe one, I mean that it has less price depreciation. Um, a lot of the other ones, they kick out a lot of big juicy Gemini. I mean massive dividends every month, but you lose in price depreciation. So you gotta think whether the risk is worth the reward with it, whether the dividends are worth the price depreciation of the stock. Because say that you got in three months you got $600 in dividends, but your the value in that holding is down $1,000, then you are in the red. So right at that time or moment, you technically down $400. But one thing about the market, once you receive dividends, that is for sure money that's added to your cash balance, and you might be down to $1,000. But one thing about the market is that is an unrealized gain, meaning you down, but it's not realized because you didn't sell it. It's not a realized gain until realized loss until you actually sell it. So that day you down 1,000, but tomorrow the market can go up and you could just be down 600 now. I mean, you're able to gain for $400, just for that day. The next day you can lose 50 of that. It's just what it is. One thing about the market is it's not a realized until you actually sell it. So you never lost until you sell. You just got an unrealized loss or an unrealized gain. You could be up $5,000, but it's unrealized until you hit the sell button and actually sell it. So it sounds good. Say you own Amazon, I'm up $7,000. Yeah, that's cool. But until you sell it and take that profit, it's not realized. So that's one thing about the market. All right, give y'all some of these monthly bank bangers. I'm looking at tomorrow. Ticker ORC. That's Orchid Island. ARR Armor Residential REIT. Monthly. AGGH, which is a bond. TLTW, which is another bond. SPYT is the Defiance ETF. KHC, which is not a monthly payer, but this is just a good dividend stock, not a double digit yield. KHC Kraft Heinz, WU Western Union, WEN Wendy's, LAND does pay out monthly. Land Gladstone Land, TU is TELUS, which is a communication Canadian stock. A growth stock that doesn't pay a dividend. Ticker INTC, Intel. Might get some pushback on that one, but I think it's gonna do good in the future. Stay out of this one, but if you are trying to accumulate or do want to take risk and trade, take a MED Metafast. Think it had good earnings. Just trying to see whether it's gonna turn around or not. Another one, take a CHPT, charge point. They don't want to make the charging station for the EVs. We know that that Tesla is the number one EV charging station, number one in EVs, like period. They always gonna be number one, but ChargePoint still gonna get some kind of play in it. You also got Blink and EVgo, which I don't trade those though, but so I'm just sticking with ChargePoint. Another one I like, ticker RC, Ready Capital Corporation. I think that's a BDC. It's a high yielder. Got over $1 billion in market cap. I think it's like 1.4, and they got a high dividend yield. So that's another one's going to benefit from the interest rate cuts. BDCs, business development companies, and REITs, REITs, real estate investment trusts, are going to benefit from the interest rate cuts whenever these happen. Look like I told folks last year, 2025 is going to be a side eye year. Just sit back and accumulate and watch the market with a side eye so you can see what is going on. Don't do a whole lot, but don't do a little either. Try to stay in the middle, if that makes sense. The inauguration, Trump come in office on the 20th. And one thing y'all are forgetting about, you got the longshoreman strike. That ends, their contract ends on the 15th, which is tomorrow. On Wednesday. So if you don't wake up and see something about a settlement or some kind of agreement, this market probably gonna tank more, and I'm about to buy up everything. So, or y'all gonna wake up. We're gonna see what happens. You're gonna wake up to something about them going back on strike, or something about the settlement thing. Probably in the next five days, I'll say. You will know something before MLK Day. So we're gonna see how they're gonna work out too. Another one to give you, ticker SBLK, which is Starbuck. They are a dry bulk marine shipping company. That's another one. I think got about a 13% yield, but that's another nice one too. That is down, getting beat down now for you to accumulate. Also, go and grab some Nike NKE. It's in a great buy range for you to accumulate. Also, for you to lower your average cost. So, but you don't have to buy it. I mean, it is a nice buy. Probably gonna go back up to $96. Is that like 70? I'm gonna hold mine till 90 plus, or just accumulating it down. And probably once I'm selling, I'm just gonna get out of it for good. I'm trying to get out of the food industry and the apparel / shoes or whatever industry. I want to get out of those, so and just play it a little safer. But that's it. Signing off. Enjoy your night. Go get your money.